Did you know that inflatable kayaks have evolved from simple floaties to competing with mid-range rigid models? Thanks to high-pressure floors, reinforced PVC, and smarter designs, you can now paddle with stability, speed, and comfort without having to haul a rigid kayak on your car. With so many options on the market, choosing the right one can feel like paddling against the current. That's why I've rounded up the 7 best inflatable kayaks in Europe, from beginner models to spacious kayaks for lakes, calm rivers, or gentle sea trips. All the links are in the description. Let's get started. First up is the Intex Explorer K2, a 2-seater kayak with a maximum capacity of 180 kilograms and a weight of around 13.5 kilograms. It inflates in about 5 minutes and comes with aluminum paddles, a pump, and a repair kit. It's ideal for beginners and calm waters like lakes or reservoirs. Its I-beam floor gives it stability but makes it less fast and flexible in the water. The seats can lose pressure after a while, but you can upgrade them with additional cushions. It's perfect for those who want to get into kayaking without spending much. It also fits well in the trunk of a small car. Its bright yellow design improves visibility, which is a plus in crowded areas. Just avoid overloading it. When it nears the weight limit, it loses maneuverability. The Boston valve makes inflating and deflating very easy, even for first-timers. Next is the Bestway Hydroforce Cove Champion, available in X1, 1-seater, and X2, 2-seater versions. The X1 supports up to 100 kilograms, while the X2 goes up to 170 kilograms. It inflates in about 6 minutes and comes with all the necessary accessories. Its Inflate-A-Shield PVC construction gives it a bit more durability, though it's lower and has less legroom, especially in the single version. It's designed for people looking for something simple for summer and with limited storage space. The X2 model can be more comfortable if used solo, gaining extra room. Also, the floor is smoother than in other models, making it easier to sit or stand on firm ground. It's an ideal option for those who want an occasional kayak without sacrificing portability. While it's not ideal for long trips, it's perfect for 1 or 2-hour sessions. Its zippered carrying case is also a plus for storing it in the car or at home without taking up much space. Next is the Anova Goods kayak, a 2-seater that supports approximately 135 kilograms. It folds down to backpack size, ideal if you don't have a storage room or live in a small apartment. It's suitable for occasional users looking for something compact. It lacks a skeg and reinforced floor, so its performance in rivers or wind isn't the best. But for half-hour getaways or floating with a view, it does the job. It also includes tie ropes for docking at piers or rest areas. The material is thinner, so it's best to avoid rocky or submerged branch areas. It's also a good choice for those looking for an economical second backup kayak. Its lightness makes it manageable even for one person, and it fits easily in a large suitcase. Just make sure to fully inflate it to avoid sagging in the center when 2 people are aboard. Then we have the Intex Challenger series, with the K1 for 1 person, up to 100 kilograms, and the K2 for 2, up to 180 kilograms. They inflate in about 6 to 7 minutes and come with a removable skeg, pump, paddles, and cargo net. They're made of 30-gauge vinyl, slightly more durable than average in low-end ranges. The K2 has more interior space than the Explorer and better tracking thanks to its skeg. It's geared toward those wanting a bit more control without a big budget increase. If using it at the beach, remember to rinse the skeg well to prevent sand from jamming it. The front net is also handy for carrying small backpacks or shoes. Though compact, the K1 fits easily in a standard closet if folded properly. The bright green color also helps locate it easily in crowded areas or from the shore. Next is the Tiger Spang, a 1-seater hybrid kayak with a capacity of about 136 kilograms. Its wide design and semi-rigid floor make it ideal for those wanting to combine paddling with activities like fishing or even yoga. It includes a removable seat, trekking-style backpack, aluminum paddle, and pump. It inflates in about 7 minutes and is very laterally stable. It lacks a keel or skeg, so it's harder to stay on course in currents. But its versatility is a strong point for creative adventurers. The floor material has a non-slip texture that adds safety if paddling barefoot or boarding wet. Also, its slightly raised bow helps cut through small waves in lakes or coasts. It's a great model for those wanting to try something different from typical inflatables and have the option to convert it into a sort of SUP board. It fits perfectly in a car trunk and is easy to clean with a hose and mild soap after each use. Now to the Intex Excursion Pro, available in K1, 1-seater, and K2, 2-seater versions. Both support the same weight as their Challenger counterparts, up to 180 kilograms for the K2, but with much tougher materials, super tough PVC, and better equipment. It has a firmer floor, bucket-style seats, rod holders, and tie-down rings. It inflates in about 6 to 8 minutes and performs much better in calm rivers or long routes. It's ideal for anglers or frequent users who want something comfortable and durable without reaching pro kayak prices. Includes pump, paddles, and a sturdy transport bag. The drop-stitch rigid floor provides a feel closer to hard-shell kayaks, improving paddling efficiency. There's also room to place a small cooler or dry bag behind the seat. It's an excellent choice for those who go out often and want something reliable that won't deflate mid-trip. The padded side handles also make it easier for 2 people to carry without hurting their hands. Finally, the Sevylor Big Basin, a 3-seater kayak that supports up to 227 kilograms. It has Boston valves for quick inflation, 3 adjustable seats, and several handles for carrying. Its multi-chamber structure offers extra safety in case of a puncture. Though bulky, it's ideal for families or groups wanting to share a water adventure. The rear space even allows for a small cooler. Since it's bigger, it helps if one person has some experience to handle turns well. Its high sides help prevent splashes, keeping occupants drier. You can also remove one of the seats and use it as a roomy 2-seater for backpacks or gear. The thick material feels durable, perfect for areas with branches or occasional rock contact. To store it, let it dry well in the sun first, as folding it damp makes it bulkier and can lead to odors over time. And now, some quick tips for all models. Basic kayaks inflate in 3 to 7 minutes, while more advanced ones can take up to 15. Always use the recommended pressure. Overinflating can damage the chambers, and underinflating affects performance. If your kayak has a skeg, use it to improve tracking. Never store the kayak wet. Rinse and dry it to avoid mold or wear. If using salt water, a freshwater rinse is a must to extend the life of the PVC and valves. If a valve leaks slightly, try lubricating it with technical petroleum jelly before replacing parts. When choosing, think about where you'll use it. For lakes and still water, prioritize comfort over steering. For long routes or fishing, look for models with real storage space and rigid floors. If you're tall or have long legs, check the interior seat spacing. It varies more than it seems. Also consider the dry weight. Some exceed 15 kilograms, which matters if you have to carry it alone. Lastly, if you travel by public transport or have a small car, prioritize compact models or those that come with a backpack. In summary, if you want something budget-friendly to try out, the Explorer K2 or the Bestway X1 are solid, no-commitment options. For something more complete but still manageable, the Challenger or Excursion Pro offer better performance. If you're looking for space, family use, or adventure, the Sevylor or Spang give you that extra. Each one has its audience, and the best kayak is the one that fits your paddling style, your trunk, and your plans. All links are in the description. Give it a like if this guide helped you, subscribe for more reviews, and see you on the water.